Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and I'm the author of Te Reo Singalong books, and I'm also doing, as you know, lots of videos on our Patreon site. So today, because we've been doing lots of Matariki shows around New Zealand ourselves, and I know we've been, a lot of us have been using the Matariki sign language version and also the book and the CD, I thought I would talk about the sentence structure. In all of my books I try and follow one sentence structure, because I'm not just making books that are fun to use on the mat. I want them to be something that you can take and use in context. So this one has the sentence structure, he pai ki aho, I like. So he pai ki aho te, or he pai ki aho ngā for a plural. So, for example, he pai ki aho te noho a whānau, I like the family coming to stay. He pai ki aho te kōrero, I like the talking. He pai ki aho ngā kai reka, I like the delicious food. He pai ki aho ngā mahi whai, I like the string games. He pai ki aho ngā waiata, I like the songs. He pai ki aho te kapahaka, I like the kapahaka. He pai ki aho te hākari, I like the feast. And he pai ki aho ngā whetū, I like the stars. So you could use that with children really easily. I'm sure you can think of lots of ways to do that, but I'll give you a few of my ideas and perhaps you'll be able to follow up with some of your ideas as well. So it's doing the Matariki book, which children are probably familiar with, and then talking about, oh hey, there's a sentence in here that we can use around our classroom. He pai ki aho. Let's talk about these pens first. So I might do this as a little game with a few children, and I might put all these different items, and there might be more than 4 of them there, and I would say, oh, let's try this game. He pai ki aho te pene whero, I like the red pen. And then somebody else could go, he pai ki aho te pene kakariki. And another person might pick up this one and say, he pai ki aho te pene karaka. It's a good way of learning the colours. So that's the kind of thing you could do with pens. And another thing you can do is with various animals. You could have some animal pictures or animal photos, or a book with animal pictures, and just pointing to the ones that each person likes. Or you could have plastic toy animals, as I have here. So he pai ki aho, there might be a group of animals there, and I've picked up this one, te arewhana. If you don't know the Māori word for something when you're doing this, you can use a picture dictionary to find that out. Or perhaps he pai ki aho te puaka, I like the pig. And if you want, let's say there were different coloured pigs there, if you want to say I like the pink pig, he pai ki aho te puaka mawhero, always put the adjective after the noun, so the colour goes after the name of the thing. Another animal you could have there, a marine animal, he pai ki aho, just seeing how to show you it here, he pai ki aho te honu. So you could perhaps go through any book with pictures of animals, and this one is from also our Te Reo Singalong book, Kei te piki aho. So I really love it when I hear that teachers are crossing over with the books and using that sentence structure with this book. So I could look at Kei te piki aho and say, he pai ki aho te honu, I like the turtle. He pai ki aho te mokonui, I like the dinosaur. And you can also use that with vehicles, and you might be working on the vocab for vehicles. He pai ki aho te reina, or he pai ki aho te reina kōwhai, I like the train, or I like the yellow train. He pai kia hou. You wouldn't do a game with actual food, but when you're around the lunch table and talking about things to do with food, and perhaps you could mention, oh, he pai kia hou te banana. I like bananas, or I like the banana. That's the same meaning. So if you don't like something, let's say there's a spider and you want to say, I don't like spiders, or perhaps I don't like horses. How to say that is very close to this. So it's almost the same. Kaore at the beginning for the negative, and then the he changes to e. And that's all, the rest of it's all the same. Kaore e pai ki ahau te, and let's say it's spiders, pu ngā were were. And this means, either it means I don't like the spider if we're particularly talking about that one spider, or it means I don't like spiders. So let's say you didn't like horses. Kaore e pai ki ahau te huiho. So, there's a lot of things you can do with the sentence structure, and I love to hear about people using the sentence structures in our Te Reo Singalong books to expand their reo in the workplace and in the family and in the home. So I'd love to hear your stories about that. If you want to give me any ideas about things you'd like to learn, any more things you are having some questions about or wondering how to improve with your reo, please let me know, and I'll keep doing what I'm doing.